Trying something a little different, you guys. We're in Houston, Texas right now. A little different from where I usually at. I'm switching it up right now. I just drove this thing across the country. Big change. Just needed a little change of scenery. I'm gonna go to a car meet out here because I know the car scene is insane out here. And you know, so I'm gonna show you guys what's up out here. You guys the vibe and see what's good. So let's get to it. Speak of the devil.
I swear if you tried it, I swear if you tried it, a lot of these niggas they done, a lot of these hoes are chosen, and a lot of these niggas getting pulled up.
In the 335, I parked it out here because over there's a lot of fucking G37s already acting a fool. Speak of the devil, bro. Speak of the fucking devil. I swear to God, bro, these VQ niggas are universal.